This class tonight is on balance. Balancing the subtle body, the physical body, balancing the pranic flow, the life force within the body. So long and deep breathing. Your job in this class, and really your job in this life, but for this 1 hour of this class, is to keep conscious of your breath. Don't let one breath go unnoticed. Everything is found within for a yogi. The fractal universe always goes within. And as within, so without. But you go deep inside to experience the infinite. You make that connection inside yourself. And then that connection is made automatically with every other being in this universe. Feel the energy being sealed off lower triangle. Pull it upwards, all the way to the top of your head. Find your own rhythm. You can do it. It's only 1 minute. You can work up to 3 minutes, and if you're very, very energetic, 11 minutes. But we're just doing it for 1 minute. You're almost there. Powerful breath, please, as powerful as you can. Hold the breath. Pull the root lock. Seal off the lower triangle. Pull the sphincter muscle tight. Physically pull it. Visualize the energy being sealed off in the lower triangle. Sexual organs are pulled up. Diaphragm is put pressure. Hold the breath. Feel the energy being sealed off lower triangle. Pull it upwards, all the way to the top of your head. Be conscious of your breath. Slow your heart rate down.